Hey there, welcome back to Ayuka's YouTube channel, and I'm back with an update for ColorOS 16 for Redmi 4X. So what's new and what's fixed? Let's find out. So this is my Redmi 4X, and as you know it is a very old device and it has only 3GB of RAM and 32GB of storage. So how does it perform? Let's find out. So after the setup is done, I'm back at home screen and it is a very laggy ROM, as you know. The performance mostly depends on the processor, and the processor of this device is very old. So let me first show you the about page of this ROM and the Easter egg of Android 16. This ROM is based on latest version of ColorOS and the latest version of Android for ColorOS. Performance mode is available inside the battery settings, and the battery backup of this ROM is fine. As I was mentioning in the intro that this is an updated ROM. So what's fixed? Basically the brightness bug is fixed. The fingerprint and face unlock bug is still there. Now let's test out the camera. So the camera performance, or basically the picture quality, is fine. Compared to stock it's way better, but compared to AOSP ROMs it's worse. As you can see, Oppo's gallery app is there and the picture quality is fine, as you can see the details of it. The ROM is very laggy within a few hours of installation, but after a few hours or almost a day, the ROM becomes smooth. Dark mode is there in the display settings, and as I was saying, the brightness bug is fixed. As you can see, the touch is kinda finicky as it is a duplicate display, and this ROM is also kinda laggy. Display colors and all the other display features are also present. This ROM also has built-in Oppo AI, so you can test that. The QS panel is also laggy, but if you disable the blur it is fine. This is a repartition based ROM, so I will post all the things in the description. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe for more content like this.